Well, it's day 2 and all my data's over onto that. So at the moment, Taz is, as you can see, having breakfast. Great breakfast this morning. Would have been nice with warm milk, but I'm not complaining. We're booked in a walk. We're going up onto the 12th floor at 9 o'clock, and Taz is already missing Japanese food. So I said she should go back to Japan because Japan is so safe from COVID. It's a good place to go to. Joke. Okay. See you later on the roof. So it's off walking today. We get out of the place, you book it in, and a bit of a rapid breakfast, but avoided the wine. So we're out. So we're on our first walk in the car park. Oh, pretty cool. So all we do is walk around the car park. Know where we're going. Pretty cool. Well, this is exciting. It's kind of high security. You don't. You get a number called out. 12 people a day, and then go up to the hill. Follow Taz. Interesting, Taz.
Yeah.
Walk around in a circle and enjoy ourselves. So now we go around. Yeah, this is quite cool. Some people are power walkers, and we're just slow walkers. I couldn't run here, I just got crazy running around in a circle. Don't know how the guy did the half marathon in isolation in his hotel room. Oh, last lap. Last round, thank you. You can do it, we can do it. It's pretty cool. You know, it's 45, 50 minutes. I don't know how big this track is, but it seems like we're getting about 300 meters all the way around. I don't know why they go anti-clockwise. Should change it halfway around, but it's fun. Back to the room. This is outside the hotel, and when Carly and Fabio visit, because we're the monkeys in the zoo, they can go on the outside over here and talk to us here. It's pretty small. If the guys are good, the army's here, Taz is kind of hanging out, and when they bring some presents, which they can, they go through over there, take it to the inside, put it into a special box, it's inspected, if it's okay, done. Like Carly's bringing coffee and bits and pieces tomorrow. There's a smoking room up there, who cares, but we can get outside anytime we like, as much as we like, which is nice. So it doesn't really matter if we don't get a registered walk. I'm impressed. So hard editing on the small screen. It's working. 2 done.